Welcome to Declan Higgins YouTube Channel, where we turn financial dreams into reality. Today, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of saving money. But not in a boring, pinch pennies kind of way. We're talking about smart, strategic moves that'll have you stacking cash like a boss. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your saving game, these 5 killer tips will put you on the fast track to financial freedom. Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this money. The first step to saving more is knowing where your money is going. It's easy to spend mindlessly without realizing how quickly it adds up. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. You can use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even just a good old-fashioned notebook. The key is to be consistent and honest with yourself about where your money is going. Once you have a clear picture of your spending habits, you can identify areas where you can cut back and start setting realistic savings goals. Let's say you find yourself spending $200 a month on takeout coffee. By simply cutting back to $50 a month, you could save $1,800 a year. That's enough to boost your emergency fund, invest in your future, or even treat yourself to something special without breaking the bank. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. The beauty of budgeting is that it gives you a roadmap to financial success. So don't be afraid to get granular with your finances. Now that you've got a handle on your spending, it's time to talk about cutting those unnecessary expenses. We all have them, those little leaks in our budget that drain our hard-earned cash. The good news is that eliminating them is often easier than you think. First up, let's talk about subscriptions. From streaming services to gym memberships, those recurring monthly charges can really add up. Take a close look at all your subscriptions and ask yourself, am I really using this? If the answer is no, or even not really, it's time to hit cancel. Trust me, you won't miss that third streaming service as much as you'll appreciate the extra cash in your pocket. Next, let's tackle impulse buys. We've all been there browsing the aisles at Target or scrolling through Amazon when suddenly, bam! You're hit with an overwhelming urge to buy something you absolutely don't need. My advice? Implement a 24-hour rule. If you see something you want to buy, wait 24 hours before making the purchase. Chances are, the urge will pass, and you'll be glad you didn't give in to temptation. Remember, cutting unnecessary expenses isn't about deprivation. It's about being mindful of your spending and making choices that align with your financial goals. Alright, let's face it, coupons sometimes get a bad rap. But trust me, using coupons and discounts is like getting a mini raise every time you shop. In a world where every penny counts, why not take advantage of these easy savings? The key is to be strategic about it. Don't buy something just because it's on sale. Instead, look for coupons and discounts on items you already buy regularly. There are tons of ways to find coupons and discounts. Check out websites like RetailMeNot and Coupons.com, browse your favorite stores' websites and social media pages, and sign up for email newsletters to stay in the loop on the latest deals. Don't forget about cashback apps like Rakuten and Ibotta. These apps give you cashback on purchases you make online and in-store. Remember, every little bit adds up. By consistently using coupons and discounts, you can save hundreds, even thousands of dollars each year. Let's be real, saving money consistently can be tough. Life gets busy, unexpected expenses pop up, and sometimes it's just easier to hit that buy now button than it is to transfer money to your savings account. That's where automation comes in. Automating your savings is like putting your financial life on autopilot. It takes the guesswork out of saving and ensures that you're consistently putting money aside, even when you're busy or forgetful. The easiest way to automate your savings is to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. You can do this through your online banking portal or by contacting your bank directly. Choose a frequency that works for you, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and set a transfer amount that aligns with your budget and savings goals. Another great option is to use a micro-investing app like Acorns or Stash. Remember, the key to successful saving is consistency. Now let's talk about putting those savings to work for you through the magic of investing. Don't worry, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to get started. Investing is for everyone, and the earlier you start, the better. When you invest, you're essentially buying a piece of a company or asset with the hope that its value will increase over time. This could be stocks, bonds, real estate, or even things like cryptocurrency. The key is to do your research, understand the risks involved, and choose investments that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you're just starting out, a great option is to invest in low-cost index funds. Index funds offer instant diversification and typically have lower fees than actively managed funds. Remember, investing does involve risk, but by investing wisely and for the long term, you're giving yourself the best chance to grow your wealth. There you have it, 5 powerful ways to save money and take control of your finances. Remember, financial success isn't about luck. It's about making smart choices, being consistent, and taking action. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these tips today and watch your savings soar. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome financial content, and share this video with your friends and family. Until next time, stay focused, stay hungry, and keep crushing those financial goals.